What would you say would be, say, 2 or 3 key insights or tips to that make those assemblies, to make those that curriculum or the curriculum you offer so impactful?
The first tip I would say is that whenever I have an assembly, I connect with students as they come in. I don't stand behind a curtain. I don't stand behind backstage. I'm front and center, and I want to give them fist bumps. I want to tell them, "Hey, nice shoes." I want to tell them, "I like your hair." I want to connect with them. If I see something like, if I see a shirt that they're wearing, I've lived all over the country, so if somebody's got a Seahawks shirt on, I'm going to go, "Oh, Seahawks! I used to live in Bellevue, Washington." I'm going to connect with students immediately. That's the first thing. Um, because if I don't connect with them, well, why do they even need to listen to me? What what am I going to say that's going to make a difference in their life if I haven't connected with them first? So that's number one. Number two, the second tip would be is to get them moving, get them excited. That it's not just some guy coming in to talk. I'm going to play music. We're going to sing songs. We're going to have a dance off. We're going to move around and make it fun because we're going to talk about some pretty serious topics. But I want them to know that, you know, number one, music is such a great coping skill, and I talk about that in my speeches. But that it's okay to have fun, even when we don't feel great, even when we don't have a great day, we can still have fun. So that's number two. I'm going to get them moving. And then the third thing I would say for an assembly is to practice the message that you're delivering. Make sure that you know it. And when you practice, you know when you can lean in on the audience, you know when you can lean out, you know when you can raise your voice, you know when you can pause for a good amount of time. And so practicing what you're going to say, practicing your speech over and over again is so important because when you listen to somebody, if they come in and they're like, I think I was 6. I think maybe it was 14 years ago. It- and they don't really know what they're trying to say and trying to communicate. The students tune out. They tune out. And a lot of people, they're like, "Oh, your assembly's 45 minutes. You can't make it 45 minutes." They'll never listen to you for 45 minutes. And it's never been a problem. It's never been a problem. So, and that's because it's fun and engaging. I connect with the students and I know my material.